Welcome back to Spero Child International YouTube channel, where we help you nourish your family with smart, budget-friendly choices. In today's video, we're talking about how to meet your family's nutritional needs without breaking the bank. How to create a nutritious meal plan for vulnerable families. Are you on a mission to whip up a nutritious meal plan for vulnerable families without emptying your wallet? You're in the right spot. Getting everyone the nutrients they need can be a bit of a puzzle, but with some smart planning and clever shopping, it's totally doable. So, let's jump in. But first, we need to understand nutritional needs. Understanding nutritional needs. Alright, let's chat about what our bodies need. Everyone, from the tiniest tots to the oldest adults, needs a good mix of carbs, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals to stay healthy. Fun or not so fun? Fact: almost 1 in 9 people worldwide is undernourished. Budget-friendly nutrition. Number 1. Cost-effective food choices. Eating healthy doesn't have to mean splurging on fancy foods. Nope. Think about affordable staples like beans, lentils, rice, and seasonal veggies. These goodies are budget-friendly and packed with nutrients. Number 2. Shopping tips. Here are some handy tips to make your grocery shopping easier on the wallet. Buy in bulk. Stock up on stuff like rice, pasta, and dried beans. Bigger quantities mean lower prices. Go for seasonal produce. Fruits and veggies in season are usually cheaper and fresher. Meal planning strategies. Number 1. Creating a weekly nutritious meal plan. Start with planning your meals for the week. Trust me, it helps you buy only what you need and cut down on food waste. Jot down breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks for each day. Mix things up to keep meals interesting. Number 2. Batch cooking and meal prep. Cooking in bulk? Lifesaver. Make a big pot of soup or stew that can last a few meals. Prep your veggies and stash them in the fridge for easy access. This way, you've got healthy options ready to go, even on the busiest days. Simple and nutritious recipes. Number 1. Breakfast ideas. Oatmeal with fruits. Affordable, nutritious, and easy to make. Top with fresh or frozen fruits. Egg muffins. Bake eggs with veggies in a muffin tin for a grab-and-go breakfast. 2. Lunch and dinner options. Bean and veggie stew. Hearty, nutritious, and perfect for leftovers. Stir-fry with rice. Use whatever veggies you have. Add a protein like chicken or tofu, and serve with rice. 3. Healthy snacks. Homemade popcorn, a great whole grain snack. Fruit and yogurt, simple and packed with nutrients. Tailor your meal plans based on your child's age. Infants, toddlers, and school-age kids have different nutritional needs. For example, toddlers need more fat for brain development, while older kids need more protein for muscle growth. In conclusion, creating a nutritious meal plan for vulnerable families is all about making smart choices and doing a bit of planning. Remember, it's not just about feeding your family, it's about nourishing them. By ensuring good nutrition, you're also contributing to the United Nations Sustainable Development Goal 2, Zero Hunger. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more tips on family health and well-being. Let's continue this journey toward healthy, affordable living together.